If your engine's running hotter than usual, or you've had a gasket failure that's led to a heavily contaminated radiator and cooling system, your typical radiator flush will not do the job. You need Nulon Pro Strength Cooling System Flush. It's a powerful cleaning product designed to remove oil, fuel, rust, mineral scale, and other contaminants from your cooling system. Whereas a typical cooling system flush removes scale, rust, and corrosion, the Pro Strength Cooling System Flush is ideal in situations where oil and fuel have contaminated the radiator and cooling system, such as with a head gasket failure. It's safe for use in all cooling systems. The powerful alkaline formulation strips oil, grease, and scale contaminants from the inside of hoses and metal surfaces. Step 1. Drain the cooling system and refill with clean water. Step 2. Add Nulon Pro Strength Cooling System Flush to the radiator. Then turn on the heater and return the engine to normal operating temperature before allowing the product to circulate for 45 to 90 minutes. Step 3. Stop the engine and allow to cool. Step 4. Thoroughly drain and flush the cooling system with clean water. Step 5. Refill the cooling system with Nulon Long Life Coolant as per manufacturer's recommendation. To find the right coolant for your vehicle, head to the Nulon Lube Guide. To keep your cooling system in top shape, always use demineralized water.